friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking all about this brand new Coco color from Mina Baie. So you guys know I love Mina Baie's leather and their accessories. I talk about these pouches all of the time, but they just recently released this brand new super yummy, like chocolatey toned cocoa color, and I thought I would share it with you today. All right, we're gonna start off talking about this Mio pouch set or pouch trio, if you will, and then move on to the Fanny because I feel like I don't need to spend a ton of time on this one because I have talked about it so much recently. This pouch set was featured in my favorite wallets and pouches video of 2023, and I pack it in my bags all of the time. I can tell that I must be talking about it a lot because a lot of you recently have bought this pouch set, so it must be popping up in my content a lot, but I did want to touch on it today because the new Coco color is just so beautiful. The Mia pouch set comes in a ton of different colors right now. Last I looked, this was still in stock. The tan color here, which is one of my favorites, was also still in stock. They have black, they have bone. The pouch set does come in a nylon option. I'm not sure if they have the nylon option in this Coco color. I don't think so. I believe they only released the vegan leather and the full grain leather in this Coco color. I think it's hard to keep track. They've had a lot of releases lately, but like I said, last I checked, this one was still available. Just to give you guys a quick idea on what this pouch set is for those of you that may not have heard me talk about it yet. You have 3 different pouches. You have the large one, which you see here, and inside this one, you do actually have a zipper pocket. The smaller 2 pouches, you do not have a zipper pocket because they're just a tad bit smaller. But this one is great because you can actually use the strap that comes with this set and wear this one as a like crossbody option. You can pack this one inside like a larger bag and use it just as a little handheld clutch by itself. There's so many different things that you can use it for, but you do have this strap that comes with the set. And you have these D-rings on both sides of the pouch. So obviously you can use the strap on this one, and you can also use the strap on this medium size here, because again, you have the same rings, and then you also have them on the small. So if you want to wear this small one as like a kind of a tight little clutch situation, you could do that as well. Or you can kind of attach a wristlet to it. Possibilities really are endless, but you have this small, cute little one here, and then the medium one, which is just a tad bigger. And then of course you have the large, which is the biggest of all 3. And the color, again, I wanna kind of focus in here up close so that you can really see it. It really is a beautiful leather. All right, moving on to a cute little bag that I actually haven't shared in a minute. It's been a while. I looked back through my videos kind of at the start of the year, and I reviewed the Fanny actually in the tan color, but it was the older version, which is not much different than it is now, but there's a couple of different like pocket differences on the inside of the bag. But I haven't really chatted about this cute little Fanny since then. I actually have had it in bone, which is beautiful. I think I shared that over on Instagram, but I since then have gifted that one to my mother because she loved it so much, and then I was waiting patiently for them to release it in a color that I absolutely couldn't refuse, and this was the winner, the Coco. So basically to kind of go through this Fanny with you, and then I think I will quickly put the camera down and pack it up for you just because I haven't touched on this in a while, so that you can see items like packed inside. So we'll do that here in a minute. But on the back of the bag here, you do have one magnetic closure back here. So it's like a good pocket maybe for like your cell phone or something that you want to keep like closer to your body. And then you have the loop here that you can actually put the strap that comes with this bag through the loop kind of horizontally across the bag and then wear it as a true fanny pack. Or you can actually use the strap and attach it here on the D-rings on the side so that you can wear it as a crossbody. So it's like a crossbody fanny situation. You can wear it however you'd like. The zipper here opens up kind of like a wide U, if you will, like all the way around the bag. And one of the things that I love about this Fanny is all of the organization on the inside. You don't have to pack any type of pouches or anything in here. It is small and compact and tons of pockets. I think you'll really be able to see it better when I put the camera down, but looking down inside the bag there, you can see you have a zipper pocket. You have a spot there for tons of cards. This is actually a pocket back here on the back of the bag there. And then on the very, very front, you can see you have two elastic pockets as well. So can kind of hold all of the smaller things, and yet the inside cavity is still nice and big to put like larger things. So love the way that it's organized and the color. I can't stress enough how beautiful it is in person. I thought I would really quickly just kind of throw this over crossbody so that you can see what it looks like on. I have not adjusted this or anything yet. So I'm not sure what the length is like, but oh, it's actually pretty good. It is an adjustable strap, so if you are taller, you can definitely make it longer. If you like to wear it a little bit tighter and kind of wear it across the front here, which I like to do kind of from time to time, you can do that also and just kind of make the strap a little bit tighter. So there's a bunch of different ways that you can wear it. If you wanted to wear it, like I said, down like a crossbody, you can wear it around like your back if you wanted to. It's just a really kind of cute, versatile bag. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down just briefly so that I can show you what fits inside. All right, so let's see what I have packed inside. I'm actually going to go ahead and take off these side hooks here of the strap, just so it's not getting in the way and kind of flopping around as we go through this cute little crossbody. Starting back here in the back, since it's the only exterior pocket on this bag, you do have one magnetic closure, and I have in my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So this is the newest one, and it is the Max version, and it fits really comfortably, super snug back here in this back pocket. No problems at all. This is a Ondar leather phone case, so it's nice and kind of smooth and slim, fits in there, no problems at all. And I have this pretty full, which you'll see here in just a second, and I was still able to kind of squeeze it down here in this back pocket. Moving on to the main opening of the bag, you have a super smooth zipper and a leather zipper pull over here, and it opens up nice and wide. And what I like about this one also is you can really see and get everything that you need out of this bag, even when it's on the body. I know sometimes with sling bags or even crossbody bags, it's hard to get things that you need out of it when you're wearing it, and that's kind of something that's, I don't know, important to me. So I'll just kind of start pulling everything out so that you can see what I have packed in here. I'll start with the center. I have a large hand cream in here right now because I have run out of my smaller ones that you guys have been seeing in my videos. So I just kind of stick this in there for now. I need to go get a smaller one, but this brand has been my absolute favorite, and this blood orange is so good. I haven't seen the blood orange in like a smaller tube, but I'm gonna kind of keep my eyes open. So this one is one that I've been loving lately. It obviously fits in here, no problem at all. Then also tucked kind of down in here, I have my big O-ring. This is in the resin material, but they have silicone, they have leather, all different kinds. I really like them, so I'm able to kind of move keys from bag to bag and find them easily. And my keys, house keys, office keys, all that kind of fun stuff in there. Then left down here at the very bottom, I have my nail cream. This is another really good item that I've had in my bag for a super long time. It is a apricot cuticle cream or nail cream, and it's super moisturizing, almost a little bit on the greasy side, I guess you can say, but it's so good for your cuticles, and you can kind of rub it in your hand too. So sometimes I'll just carry this one if I don't have like any hand cream or anything, and it kind of does the same thing. So love that. And then tucked, last but not least, down here at the very bottom is my absolute favorite lip stuff. This is a overnight sleeping lip mask, but I use it all day long. I use it all day and all night. It's like really, really good for chapped lips. So, and I like this scent a lot. This is the vanilla. This is vanilla. Yeah, I guess so. I can't see on there, but yeah, it's like the vanilla one. All right, now you can see all the internal organization really well because I have nothing in the inside there, and I could have probably put one or two more things. I definitely had room at the top to put something else in there, but I'll start with these two kind of elastic pockets here in the front. This one here fits my pillowcase perfectly. I love this. It's just really easy to carry. I have it labeled with any pills that I would need. 9 times out of 10, it's this one right here that I need to grab for, but I have a bunch of different ones in here too. And this is a pillowcase off of Amazon that actually comes with like 300, I kid you not, 297 labels, I think. So you can kind of customize it, whatever you carry. Vitamins, there's a couple blank ones, so all that kind of stuff. So I have my pillowcase there. And then over here in this pocket, I have just a pack of gum and my Touchland hand sanitizer. Now on the back of the bag here, you can see there's a couple of different pockets. Over here in this pen pocket, I actually just have a lip liner in there. You can obviously put just a pen in there. And then back here in this back pocket, I have a couple of different lip products. I have a Summer Fridays lip balm, and then I have this one here by Tarte that I really like. Those have color to them, whereas this one is just like a lip balm, I guess you can say. And then I also have, this is something I don't normally carry with me, especially in smaller bags, but I was popping back and forth from my office and I needed to have it with me. This is another thing off of Amazon, and it is a card case. But there's room over here to kind of put your cards, your like SD cards or whatever. And then over here, you have kind of more room in there. So I love it. It's slim, it's compact, and knock on wood, hasn't broken any of my memory cards yet. All right, last but not least, inside here, oh, I lied. Down here at the very bottom, there's just a hair tie. I think I had actually another one in here. Yeah, another hair tie down in there, just kind of loosely. And then you have a built-in wallet, which is so awesome because there's just not a lot of times that I use the built-in wallets in like small bags like this, but this one I do. It actually holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different cards. See if I can kind of zoom in and show you a little bit better. It holds them nice and secure in there, and then in this zipper pocket, I'm able to put cash or coins or gift cards or punch cards or whatever I happen to have at the moment, and it's just a little bit more secure in that zipper pocket. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were interested in seeing a real life kind of look at this new Coco color from Mina Baie and seeing a walkthrough of the pouches as well as this Fanny. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.